Magandang araw. Welcome to Montrelec Product Demo and Presentation featuring WOER heat shrinkable tubes. So application ng ating heat shrinkable tubes is for bus bar insulation. So bakit natin kailangan insulate ang ating bus bar? So one of the reasons is to avoid fault caused by animals. Halimbawa, may nakapasok sa ating enclosure na isang daga o kung ano paman at nadikit sa ating bare bus bar, tiyak magkakaroon tayo ng line to ground fault. Pangalawa, para maiwasan ang corrosion ng ating bus bar dahil sa mga acids, alkali salt at iba pa. Isa pang dahilan ay para maiwasan ang injury sa tao kung sakaling accidentally ay nadikit ito sa bus bar. At panghuli is for flashover protection. So si WOER offers heat shrinkable tubes ranges from rated 1 kV up to 36 kV with different sizes. So sample natin ngayon is rated 35 kV. So meron tayong 30 mm, 40 mm, 50 mm at 80 mm. So hindi lang heat shrinkable tubes ang ino-offer ni WOER. Any kind of insulating materials ay meron si WOER. So for more info, just visit our website www.montrelec.com.ph.